Bluetooth wireless technology. Product note. If the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ears. Up to 8 hours of battery life. Secure FitFin gels. IPX4 splash and water resistant. Microphone with call, track, volume control, and activate assistant. What's in the box? Headphones. Ear gels. Micro USB charging cable. Secure FitFin. Secure cable clip. Top reviews from the United States. Only an earbud I like. I absolutely love these Skullcandy in-ear earbuds. My husband bought me one years ago at Target as a stocking stuffer for Christmas. I have never had an issue with it or it syncing with my phone or computer. I thought I lost it and was totally distraught. I couldn't find them anywhere. All this new technology. No one has the same size ear and not all of us can do over-the-ear hooks. I wear glasses. I was so happy Amazon had them, and bonus, they come in colors now too. I have black for my phone and blue for my computer. I love that they just hook inside the ear and have had zero issue with them falling out when I work out or go for a run. Side note, about 2 weeks after I got these I found the ones that were lost, so now I have 3.